Introducing the Tohnichi DOT100N-MD Torque Tester, a reliable and precise instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Engineered by Tohnichi, this torque tester combines advanced features with robust construction to cater to the demanding needs of quality control professionals and technicians. The DOT100N-MD Torque Tester offers a broad measurement range from 10 to 100 Newton meters, making it suitable for various applications across different industries. Equipped with a clear and easy-to-read analog dial, this torque tester provides precise torque readings, allowing users to make accurate assessments quickly. Designed for clockwise testing, the DOT100N-MD Torque Tester is ideal for evaluating the tightening torque of fasteners and components. Incorporating a mechanical loading device, this torque tester enables smooth and consistent torque application, ensuring reliable and repeatable measurements. With an overall length of 410 mm and a 1/2 square drive, the DOT100N-MD Torque Tester is compact and easy to handle. It delivers an accuracy of 2% of full scale, making it a trustworthy tool for quality control and testing applications. Enhance your torque measurement capabilities with the Tohnichi DOT100N-MD Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, analog dial display, and robust construction make it an indispensable tool for quality control and testing applications. Trust in Tohnichi's expertise to provide accurate and reliable torque measurements, ensuring the utmost precision and quality in your operations.